Hey everybody, welcome to Pandido, and the Fireman Sam story today is Fireworks. Let's see what happens. I'm so bored. There's nothing to do. Let's look for something fun. What have I got here? No, that's not fun. No. What's over here? Let's have a look inside. Oh, fireworks! Oh, brilliant! Oh, but I'll talk to Sam first, see if I can light them. Elvis, 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 Elvis. Hey, what, guys? What are you guys doing? Elvis is just trying to break the record for the longest handstand.
Yeah, if I concentrate long enough, then I should be able to break it. Oh well, it was close.
Hey Sam, I found some fireworks, and was it okay if I used them? Well, by all means, it's okay, but you have to ask your parents first. Oh, but they're out at the moment. Well, then you'll have to call them and ask if they'll set them off with you this evening. Okay, Sam. Hello, Mum? Can I set off some fireworks tonight? No, you cannot. Absolutely not. That is very dangerous, and we're going to be out this evening. But, Mum... What did your mum say? Oh, she said it was fine. Should be okay. Okay, well, brilliant. Well, I'll give you a sheet of paper with some safety guidelines, because it's very dangerous for kids. You have to be very careful. Come with me and we'll get it. Over here, Norman. Coming. Okay, I think I left it in the truck. Let's have a look. Oh, here it is. Got it. Okay, well, Norman, here are some safety tips for lighting fireworks. You can give this to your dad. You know, better safe than sorry. Okay, Sam, I will. Now have fun and be careful, alright? I feel a bit guilty, but I really want to use those firecrackers. Okay, let's see what this says. Read it. Okay, so put on the ground, 5 meters distance. This is boring. I think I'll just set them off myself. It can't be that difficult. Now, where can I go and set off these fireworks? Should I do it in here? I'll do it in town, maybe? Or in the garden? Or... Oh, I'm actually too excited to think. Where should I... Oh, this is going to be brilliant. Click here to subscribe or watch the next episode.